Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon shortbread. You will need 200 grams of plain flour, 125 grams of diced butter, 50 grams of Demerara sugar and 1 lemon. Firstly, in a bowl, to your plain flour add your sugar and just give it a stir until it's well combined. Then you want to grate the zest of your lemon into your flour and sugar and give this another stir. And then you just want to juice the lemon to get as much juice out as possible. And then measure out a tablespoon of lemon juice. Then to your flour and sugar mix, add in your diced butter. And with the tips of your fingertips, you just want to press the butter into the flour mix until it resembles breadcrumbs. Then add your lemon juice. And you want to mix until it has come together as a dough. Then, having floured the work surface, you just want to roll out the dough. I roll it out until it's about 1 centimetre thick, but it all depends on how thick you want your biscuits. And then just using a fluted cutter, I just cut out my biscuits. It doesn't matter what size you want to cut them out as or shape, you just cut out your biscuits to whichever shape or size that you want. Then pop these on a baking tray with baking paper on. And put in a preheated oven at gas mark 5. 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 20 minutes or until the outside is starting to go golden. And there you have it. That is how you make lemon shortbread.